My partner and I have been part of High Res for, well, probably since its inception. We were property investors prior, but prior to High Res, our method of investing in properties was to buy, hold and hope. We bought a PPR and we went on to structurally renovate that property. Knowing what we know now, we would have renovated it way differently. The High Res course opened our eyes to potentials. We walked away with our eyes wide open, and Peter nor I will look at property in the same way again. Not long after we'd started, I was made redundant from my job. We looked at the properties we had and we started putting into practice what we had learnt, and just implementing the strategies enabled me to replace that income. Peter and I have discovered that we really do enjoy the designing of the properties. We spent a lot of late nights drawing, sketching on plans to make spaces that people would want to live.
There was plenty of large houses and units available, which were all out of my price range. The things that I could find in my price range, for a lot of it was old or in an area that I didn't want to live, so I found this property to be really unique. Researching, planning, designing, and then seeing it all come to fruition is really rewarding. It's nice and new, it's neat and tidy. I jumped on it straight away. The spin-offs from the High Res for me personally is that certainly I haven't had to go back into a paid employment, and also it's enabled me for my personal development. I look back and quite blown away from what we have achieved, what we've created, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's so much more than just property.